Dear students, welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. I am Satya Narayan and your chemistry teacher. See, in this YouTube channel, we see chemistry concepts and the learning is conceptual here. So we teach chemistry deeper, sharper, so that the learner can understand the terms easily, so that they can apply the concepts whenever they find it in future. Dear viewers, subscribe for more videos and click the bell button to receive the notifications easily and immediately. Now, today in this video we are going to learn the topic discovery of neutrons. The word neutron, it's come from the word neutral. So the neutral means it has no charge. So with that basic, we will see the video. Now, who discovered neutrons? The discovery of neutron was done by James Chadwick. In 1920, physicists knew that most of the mass of an atom was located in the nucleus at its center, right? Because electron has negligible mass, and that this central core contains protons. And many scientists believe that there is not only a charged particle, positively charged particle, proton present, as well as a new uncharged particle present or neutral particle present, which he discovered and named it as neutron. Now, what is the fact about neutron? When the nucleus was found by Rutherford, he predicted that there is a presence of another particle in the nucleus. As the charge is neutral, later James Chadwick invented that. He's a student of Rutherford. So he predicted. Who invented the neutral particle, neutron? It is James Chadwick. Now we'll go to the experiment. So what is the experiment? The experiment was carried out like this. He has taken a beryllium atom, which he bombarded with the alpha particle. The alpha particles are produced by the polonium atom, which is a source of alpha particle, which is kept in the lead container to avoid the further radiations. So it will allow the radiation only in one direction. So the polonium atom emits alpha particles and falls and made to fall on the beryllium atom. So when we do this, the beryllium atom emits an uncharged particles called neutrons. You can see this picture clearly. The alpha particle source, which is nothing but beryllium, the alpha particles made fall onto the beryllium atom, which emit neutrons. What is there in the next yellow color pad? That is nothing but paraffin wax. So you could see here this orange color board, we can say it is in paraffin wax. So when you made the outcoming neutrons to fall on this paraffin wax, why we need to do this? The James Chadwick want to check the size of this particle, so he hit the paraffin wax. So what has happened is the neutrons directly have gone to the nucleus and hit the size of the protons, and which were emitted from the paraffin wax. So what is the size of neutron now? Which were almost equal to the size of protons. Even the mass of neutron is approximately equal to proton. So the similar kind of mass was appeared, which carried a positive charge, and there is a detector we call Geiger counter. This detector detects this charge. So this emerging neutrons doesn't have any charge. So he named it as neutron. So you could see the protons are coming from the paraffin wax, and it can be calculated, it can be detected with the help of this detector. So this is a basic experiment he has carried out, and we will see the equation for this experiment. Now, beryllium is bombarded with the alpha particle. What is called alpha ray? We have studied in the Rutherford atomic model. It is helium nuclei. So the beryllium is nothing but atomic number 4, mass number 9. So 4Be9 plus alpha particle 2He will give you carbon. So you could count these 4 plus 2. So when you add these two, when you hit this beryllium by alpha particle, this collision will make to join, so that 4 plus 2, 6 will be the carbon, and then the next will be 9 plus 4, 13, but one neutron is emitted here, so the 12 carbon, so 6C12 plus 1 neutron. What is the formula for neutron? Is 0. Charge is 0, and the N is a symbol, and 1 is the mass. So this will be emitted. So the beryllium is bombarded with the alpha rays. It emits carbon and neutron. So with this, in this experiment, he has found out the neutral particle called neutron. So the emitted particle carried no charge. So he represented is like a 0 N1, and they called as neutrons. The subscript 1 indicates mass, superscript indicates mass, and subscript indicates 0, that represents electrical charge of this particle. Now let us see the properties of neutron. The properties of neutron. The particle was found to be was not deflected by any magnetic or electrical field, proving that there is an electrically neutral particle. The mass is almost equal to 1.676 in 10 to the power 24 grams, which is nothing but 1 AMU, which is a mass of proton. So mass is approximately equal to proton. And one more additional information: one neutron is made up of 1 proton and 1 electron. So when you add the charge, electron is minus, proton is positive. When you add this, you get the charge is 0. So 1 proton is made up of electron and neutron. So I hope this discovery of neutron can be understood easily with this experiment, and we will send questions to you, work out, and ask doubts if any in the comment box. Thank you, my dear students. We will see about the characteristics of subatomic particle in our next video. Keep watching. We will learn chemistry together. Thank you.